He got shit on. Look at this dancing one. Oh my gosh, yeah. Jackson looks like a bear. What the heck? Hey, you dancer? He's a dancing queen. Yeah. Name him Grizzly. Oh, look at this one.
Oh, this is Grizzly.
Oh, that's Grizzly? Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh. This place is awesome. What the heck? Oh, that's a Pomsky. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another day of living in the Philippines. So for today's vlog, guys, we are at Mini Pet Premium Pet Shop. And guys, that is in Quezon City, Manila. So for today, guys, we're actually looking at dogs and we're gonna possibly buy a dog today. So when we get in here, I'm gonna show you what dogs they have, how much they are, and hopefully we can find one to join the family. And I'm super excited today, guys. Like I said, this place is located in Quezon City, Manila. So let's go check out Mini Pet Premium Pet Shop. Wow, hello, hello. Wow. Smells like dogs in here. Wow. Check out these dogs. Oh my gosh. What the heck? What the heck? What's up, man? What's up? They got a Yorkie in here. What's up, man? Oh, they're sleeping. They're sleeping, mom. Wow, wake up, wake up. Check this out, guys. They got the French Jackson. They got Frenchies. Frenchies, hello. Hello, Frenchie. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh. This place is awesome. What the heck? Oh, that's a Pomsky. Hey, so I believe these are like a Siberian Husky Pomeranian breed mix. But guys, oh, this is so cool. They got toy poodles. Hello. So small. Oh my gosh, guys. This place. Oh, look at how excited, Mom. He's so excited. Yeah. Oh, this is a girl.
I'm brown.
Mom, check out these Frenchies. Frenchbulldog.
The one that you like is a female.
Hello.
Female.
Are these female? Female?
The Frenchbulldogs, there's a male and there's a female.
Oh, one's male, one's
For
female.
the Pomsky, like that. This is the male.
Male and then female. Wow, hello. Hey, man. Super soft, guys, super soft. Mom, they have a Yorkie there. Did you see?
Oh, yeah.
Super small Yorkie.
That's a pure Yorkie. Guess what?
Hello. Hello. We're gonna have to get some of these out so they can get some playtime. This is a Poodle. What's up, Poodle? What's up, Poodle? This is crazy. That's the Pomsky there. This one.
Yeah. What's this one?
They're so excited.
What is that?
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Yorkie mix.
Where's the Yorkie?
This one.
Morkie?
This two, but they're sleeping.
Oh, sleeping. They're so sleepy, Mom.
It's a
You
poodle.
wanna take them out so you can hold them?
Hello, good morning.
Look at his head. Can we open it?
Like that.
Mom, look at this.
They're all sleeping.
Yeah, they're puppies.
Pero may mga ilang buwan na itong mga to?
This one po, sila, they're 2.5. Sila, they're 3. This one is 6. This one is 6 also. Ito 6, yeah. Pero imports though.
Mom,
Then this one's a palm.
look at this one. Fat boy. It's a fat one.
Hey, good morning.
Mom, look at this.
Good morning. How are you?
Mom,
Hey, you.
look at this one. It's such a fat boy.
They're teacups.
Wow. Whoa, there's another one. What's up? This one looked like a wolf. Guys, I'm so This is like paradise. This is crazy. Uh-oh, he's up. He's up. He's up. Uh-oh. Whoa, look at the French Bulldog.
Bro, you can't go. Yan yung male, diba?
Oh my gosh, guys, this is crazy. So guys, this is a Frenchie, a French Bulldog. This one's super friendly. Wow,
Cut Tom?
look at that guy.
What'd you say?
The big boy. You like him?
Oh yeah, okay.
So
Are they
fire.
French?
They're French.
French Bulldog?
French.
Yeah.
Wow, big boy. Super big.
They'll be around that.
Whoa.
Elma, you like the Frenchie?
It's okay.
Dad, what do you think about this Frenchie?
Hey, buddy.
He's so like.
He's better looking than you.
You like it? Okay, we take it.
So they're French. So they'll be around 10 to 15 pounds.
Oh wow.
Or
Perfect.
more, because they're compact size.
You're lucky today they have a special buy one take one.
How
I
much?
could give you I could give you a big discount for a second dog.
Oh
Yeah,
wow.
second dog.
What if I give you my kid and you give me a dog?
How much do these go for usually?
The Frenchies, the boys,
Yeah.
are 50,000 each.
Okay.
Their dad is from the US, English
Oh, wow.
lineage. Then the mom is the import lineage from China.
Okay.
So the mom is Lilac Tan, then the dad is Chocotan. So they got the color from the dad.
Oh,
We don't
okay.
have to give him a green card, right?
Wow. He's so cute. He's so cute. Thank you. Hold this real fast.
Yeah.
I just want to see. You want to hold him, Dad? You should hold him. I'll put some alcohol on first, though, Dad.
Yeah, wait, okay.
She's gonna
You
put.
gonna buy me a beer? Is that what you're saying?
Dad, he's so cute. Yeah.
Oh, this is for the dog safety.
Yeah, yeah. He's so cute, though. This is a girl or a boy?
This one is a boy.
Oh, this is the boy. Here you go, Dad.
Alright, here you go, buddy.
Oh, big boy. He's got such a fat face.
Adopt me, please. Lucky Pope.
Look at this one too. Wow. Mom. This is the friend.
No.
Oh wow. This is the toy poodle, huh?
No, this is a miniature pig.
Oh really? Wow, so cute. He's got your ear. He's got your wrinkle.
Those are my ears when I was in high school.
He's so chill. He's so calm. Yeah, guys, this is crazy. Oh. This is a husky. What's up? What's up?
I want it to be a family dog, but she's been spending most time.
Guys, this one's a Pomeranian husky. It's so fluffy. I think this is the girl. This is the girl. Yeah. Very cool. Very cool. So let's try to get Mom to hold this one.
How much that? 55.
55 for the Pomskis. Wow.
Bakit? Pero wala, yung health condition ito okay naman.
Wala. Very healthy. Nag-shed siya right now. Pero you could see, makapal yung hair niya. Siya kasi, yung sa leeg niya may
Hey bro, this one is shedding.
Oh, they shed.
We don't like shedding. We don't like Yeah.
Check out this big boy.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
This is a big corgi. I think this is Mom. Mama corgi. Mama corgi. But yeah, guys, I'll be honest. Look at this dancing one. Oh my gosh, yeah. Jackson looks like a bear. What the heck? Hey, you dancer?
Dancing.
He's a dancing queen.
Is it Grizzly?
Yeah.
Male or
Name
female?
him Grizzly. Oh, look at this one.
Oh, this is Grizzly.
Oh, that's Grizzly? Are they both boys?
Yeah.
Oh, so why this one? This one's like the hyper one. This one's the calm
I
one.
grabbed the calm one. I want the calm one. The hyper one's crazy.
Yeah,
You're a crazy little guy.
I really like these. The husky breed. The calm one's so gentle. He's so calm.
Oh, he's sweet.
Sweet boy. Yeah, guys, this is awesome. You see this one, Jackson? Pomeranian?
Yeah.
So this breed with a husky.
Diane has a Pomeranian and
For real?
tall. His name is Daffy.
So that's this breed with a husky.
Yes.
And it turns out to this. What's up, Hyper Dog? You got like an afro.
Give this one attention.
It is. He's a dancer.
Look at him.
Which one?
Man in a suit.
Which one do you like?
I like the girl.
The girl. I like these. Well, I like the Frenchies if I could pick, but I even checked out the Corgi. Look at that big one behind you. The big boy. It's so long. But we're gonna see what the final decision is, and then hopefully we can take one home today. So.
Sinerge namin. Bago kasi ayaw namin ng Yorkie dahil yung Yorkie sa
hard.
namin.
Yeah.
No,
Pero
matay siya
ang genetic diseases naman, as long as healthy yung
This
parents,
one's
hindi nila
Can
nakukuha.
you look up this dog on the internet and tell me what
Yeah.
What is it called?
Couture or
Cotton, C-O-T-O-N.
Couture?
He smells
Look at this
good.
one, Mom.
He smells
He just
good.
got a nap.
Hey. What's up? He smells
So friendly.
What height will this?
Are these the same, Mom?
That,
Yeah,
Same
but
dog?
That female.
Female? This is a boy, Mom. It's a boy.
Oh, it's a boy.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one too.
What's up?
They're relatively free.
He's got my finger.
Occasionally.
What's up? What's up?
Relatively healthy.
I like these because they got the pink eyes.
Yeah.
It's classic. What's up, man? He's biting me. This is so cool. I'm in dog heaven right now. What the heck?
This is the one that I got. The size.
It's gonna be like that?
Yeah.
chicken.
So what do you think?
Wait, does she have tear stains?
Well, she has because I hadn't taken care.
It's still going.
This is a few months ago.
This one is so cute. You're like a
Wow. I was picking them up already. I picked them up.
Yeah, I know you want
What's up, puppy power? What's up? These are so small.
Oh, male.
So small, Mom.
Which one is the male? One right there.
That's the Pomsky.
This one is an adult Pomsky.
Adult Pomsky, so this is how big it's gonna get. That's not bad. Hey, what's up? What's up? What do you think, Dad? It's like Buster size. A little bigger though. I like it. Jackson, that's the Pomsky. Yeah. Oh, shoot. What's up? What's up? Feel him. He's soft. Oi.
7 to 8 months. Hey,
Huh?
We want puppy.
You like the size?
So what do you think about
This size is that one.
Yeah, it's good.
Well, that dog can be very active.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's husky blood.
Yeah. And if you want a parang husky energy but a little smaller one, so you can put sound, Puppies are
Yeah. Baby husky. What's up, big boy? Big back?
Those are very nice.
Big back boy. Oh, Mom. Yeah. Tell me Rob. Tell me Rob. Tell me Rob. Tell me Rob. Yeah, watch your back.
The potential of their hair.
What's up? What's up?
Miniature poodle. Yeah, it's not available. Or this one.
I'm gonna pick them up.
When's the miniature poodle to be available?
What's up, man? Check out this French bulldog. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Such a fat boy or fat girl. This is a girl. Look at that. Look at that stance. Such a cute dog. You got these little fat rolls. Hey. Yeah, that's crazy. Can I see him, Mom?
Paano pag nagmumuta?
Wow.
Punas lang po, white.
Your new dog, Mom.
My new dog. My new baby. Bulak na.
Whoa,
My
don't
new
say
baby.
that.
Then we water based.
What?
Don't say new.
Buster is always, he's my only baby, but
This one
this
was like a
is
goofy.
you're goofy. You're goofy.
He looks retarded. Stop.
Oh.
Are you gonna eat outside pa po ba before you ano?
Alright guys, so after a long day of looking for dogs, we finally made the final decision.
Not one,
Not one,
but two.
but two. We got this poodle, and then we got this one as well. What is the
Cotton.
Cotton.
cotton?
Yeah, C-O-T-O-N.
And then what about that one?
That's a miniature poodle.
No.
Miniature
yeah.
poodle. So
Yes.
this is the final decision, and welcome to the family.
Wait, let's buy another one.
Yeah, we might have to take those two. Yeah, Mom. So what do you think?
Or just
Looking back, you're happy, you're excited, like what's going on? This is your dog now.
I'm happy. Not really, but I'm
Damn.
happy.
That's it? Alright.
I'm
Yeah, I
happy.
didn't feel a. Alright, well, two dogs, guys. We came here for one, we ended up getting two, which is
Look at those bulldogs.
crazy.
See those bulldogs?
Yeah, the Frenchies. Look at his eyes are open.
It's cheaper, but I don't like it.
I would have got the bulldog.
They
I
get
like
too
the
fat.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's perfect for us. I like it. It fits our family.
We're gonna call you bulldog.
French bulldog.
Fancy.
Yeah, Frenchie. Alright, guys. Final decision, Mom.
That's it.
This is locked in, locked in.
But that one I really like that one.
Huh?
Are you off?
No, we good. We like this one though.
Stop dancing.
200K Korean import.
He's a rock star. Oh my gosh.
Dang, Mom. Alright.
Rock and forth.
So
Okay, so-
includes all of this. We
Email
got
me a link,
the
or
I can create
the whole setup right here. We got the
I
bag,
guess I don't really know how to do it.
towel, dress, pee pads, shampoo. Wow.
create you. Okay, the.
It's all included.
Okay.
All included? Wow, okay.
Well, she said that.
Jackson.
Shampoo as well. We got the hookup. So it's fire. Even dry shampoo. Mom, your first car ride with Casper.
paper bag?
I have it.
You excited, Mom?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Hello.
Look at his face.
It's coming home. So crazy.
The same thing the brother.
Hey, man. Wow,
Your
Mom.
left.
So guys, it is now 4 days later after we got Buko, and they are going to deliver the second dog. We ended up going to a different dog breeder because the dog that we saw at Mini Pet, it had like a skin allergy, so they ended up getting this dog. So I believe it's ready and it's delivered. So let's go check out this dog, guys. I'm super excited.
Welcome home, Brady. Can you take a picture of this?
Yeah,
Here, come on.
this is him.
No, with
Hello.
with the welcome
Think from the other side.
outside. Welcome home, Brady. Welcome home.
Hello.
Hey, Brady. He looks big in a picture. Brady, you're gonna meet your brother.
He was an oil.
Hello.
Brady, this is your new home.
Jason, just wait.
Baby.
Just wait. I know, but just
I'll hold him for now.
yeah.
Hey, baby, come on, meet your
How
brother.
does that thing open?
Buko.
Wait, how does it open?
Make.
Meet your brother. Buko, come here, Buko.
Oh.
Coco yung pangalan niya, so inano namin Coco na. Buko, this is your brother. Look, you're a little bit bigger than let me see.
Malaki lang po, konti yung koto.
Yeah.
Ilang months na po ba siya?
Almost 3
Going 3.
July 10. Kaya ito,
This is so crazy. He got his brother.
baby, hey baby, look. This is your brother. Brother Brady. So
Hindi
okay naman
bago
yung ano
siya.
niya.
Yes po.
Is he nervous?
Naglalakad na ba to?
Opo. Ano lang siya, ma'am?
Parang naninibago.
Oo.
Tsaka siguro yung sa maybe because of the
Yung
travel.
environment.
Yeah, it's
Same with
scared.
Buko when
Yeah.
we travel.
Baby, remember when we got you from Manila? You got tired too, right? Now you're okay. Hey! Hey! Nasaan yung isa pa yung makita yung
Ito
isa?
po yung isa mas maliit.
The other one is gray. It's more.
Oh, they got two.
No, that's the brother.
Yeah, mas maliit.
How do you know?
Let me see. Mas maliit yan.
Opo. Mas maliit to, yung sa face. Smaller po to.
Yeah.
Ito po yung kukunin sa bataan.
Sa bataan. That's good.
Ma.
Kinuha na po namin kasi pag pupunta pa kami Taytay, ang layo ulit. Eh bukas
Ay,
din po
oo.
siya iyahatid.
Hindi niyo pwedeng
It's
ihapin ng
crazy.
diretso.
See how Buko reacts.
May baby kasi ako na.
Ay,
So
sa
friendly.
bagay.
Yeah, they're friendly.
Alright, so hindi. Pag gusto niyo muna inumin ng merienda.
Ma,
Gusto
how
niyo
come?
meron diyang soft drinks. Gusto niyo?
Mom,
Hindi po yung soft drinks.
Mom.
Hindi kayo pwede soft drinks.
Oh, I got smoke.
Opo, halos po. Matanda lang po siyang konti.
So,
Wow, look at how cute.
Ito ma'am, ang ano niya
Boy.
naka-royal canin po siya. Tsaka
okay.
SDN. Bali, either po sa
carry it
dalawa, pwede naman.
What's SDN?
okay.
And then,
Ano yung
So far, guys, so good.
Hey, whoa.
So, guys, this is Brady. Brady, the miniature poodle. Hello, Brady. This is Buko's brother, guys. It's so cool. I like Brady. Brady got a long snout. She got a long nose. Her heart is like pounding. She's so nervous and scared. Or he. It's a boy.
I'm your mommy. Yeah. It's okay, Brady. We'll take care of your baby Brady. Just like Buko.
Yun mama.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Pag ano ma'am, chat mo lang kami.
Ay, pag ready na to.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Okay, Brady, you play with your brother Buko.
Buko.
Buko. Buko. Come here, baby.
Are you confused, Buko?
Ayan na naman. Yung sa paa niya.
You got
Are
some
you
pee on there.
confused? You guys need to watch where you're stepping now. There's two small dogs.
Yeah.
Hey, Buko, wait.
Two small dogs.
Open your mom's room.
Like having this intense sword fight. Okay? You know, intense. I want the passion, the fierceness, that bloodlust. Alright? You get what I mean? Of course you guys will be perfect. I mean, Gigi, perfect. That's all of us. Alright? You're you. You know? Keep on being me.
Oh, they're best friends, man.
And when I call out your name,